Okay, good morning.
Good morning.
Okay, can you introduce yourself?
I am Maria Mercy Martir, 34 years old. I am single parents.
Okay.
I have one child, 10 years old. I have 5 brothers and 3 sisters, and I am college level.
Big family, right? Okay, any experience as a housemaid in Philippines?
Yes, sir. I have worked for almost 2 years as a domestic helper in Philippines.
How long?
4 years.
4 years. Okay, how many members in the house?
4 members of the family. We have 1 mom and 1 sir and 2 children.
Okay, 2 children, how old?
10 years old and 12 years old.
Okay, the 2 children, if they're fighting in the house, what you will do?
Try to stop them for fighting. Tell to the employer that they're fighting.
Okay, you need to send them go to school?
Sorry, sir,
You
pardon.
need to send the children go to school?
Yes, sir.
Okay, if on the way they are naughty and run around in the street, how can you handle?
Try to stop.
They are naughty and run around in the street.
Yes, sir. Just talk to him.
Then,
Just talk to him. Explain the danger he might have.
yeah. Okay, you know marketing?
Yes, sir.
Okay, how do you know the fish is fresh?
If the eyes and hasang are still red and the scale are still intact,
Yes.
and the skin of the fish are not tender and broken and without foul smell.
Yes, right. Okay, how good is your cooking? You can cook very well?
Yes, sir. I know how to cook Filipino foods only, sir.
Okay.
But I am willing to learn how to cook
Okay.
Chinese foods.
In case you are cooking in the kitchen, suddenly your mom call you and want you to go outside to buy sunset, what you will do?
Turn off the stove, unplug, attend the employer, just come back after.
Yes, right. Okay, how can you maintain the good relationships with your employer?
Just talk to him, always to communicate to her. Communication is very important to be able to have a good relationship.
Okay. How can you solve and overcome your homesick?
I will think of good things that will make my family happy. I will focus my mind to do my work fast and correct so that my employer will also be happy.
Okay. Any message to your future employer?
Yes.
Any message?
Mrs. I can do my job if I and my employer have a good communication. I'm proud to myself if I and my employer I'm proud to myself if my employer is happy and satisfied to my job.
Yeah.
I promise to my employer that I will do my best to be a good helper to them. Ma'am, sir, please select me as your domestic helper. I am honest, patient, understanding, and especially I am hardworking. Thank you and God bless. Hope to see you soon in Hong Kong.
Okay, thank you.